Hold your star charts and clear your schedules. Today, I predict the future. Solar flares, fiery tantrums from our stellar overlord, and yes, one is coming.
Flare probability 54.1%. Maximum probability in the last 6 hours 85.4%. Predicted flare class C.
The flare was foretold in a statistical sigh, a whisper of fire beneath the quiet sky. Reconnection brewed in the solar arcade, and plasma uncoiled where the filaments frayed.
One solar sneeze, and the cosmos leans forward to listen. I'm not guessing, I'm forecasting. You're welcome. FlareCast complete. Come back tomorrow unless the sun has other plans.